if you go on a run and you notice, oh, I'm getting a little bit of pain in my hip or my knee, it might not actually be the hip or knee, it might be the cause of the glute problem in general.
Right, okay.
Yeah.
So it is, you might be treating something that isn't the issue.
That can happen. Yeah, 100%. It can happen. You figure out, oh, I've got pain in my knee or my hip. You may go and see your local physiotherapist and they say to you, it's actually not your knee. It's coming from your glute because your glutes are the strongest and largest muscle in your body. So therefore, if they're not active and things that are, because I suppose, attached from that, if you think about it, the pelvis is the centre of the body and your legs are attached to the pelvis, then, you know, from the top down, you're kind of going to end up manifesting in pain elsewhere.
We're here with Nathalie Lennon, who's going to teach us some exercises to help strengthen up the glutes.
Yes. Yeah. So you're going to stack the hips, you're going to stack the knees, 45-degree angle. You're going to keep the feet together, and then you're just going to bring that knee up and back
the bands
down.
are making it harder.
So that makes it harder. What you don't want to happen is you don't want to come back, you don't want to fall over. So you want to try keep your chest facing that wall and bring the knee up and back down. Alan, Tommy, can you feel a bit of a burn
I
with the
can
band
feel
already?
it, yeah. And then turn over to the other side.
And then you're going to pop over and do the same on the other side. Tommy knows these well, I'd say.
Okay.
So
But I haven't done them recently, and to be fair, it's...
I can feel it without the band starting to kick in.
It does get a real burn.
It
It's
does.
horrible exercise, but it's good to do.
But it's
I'm
these
not
little
getting
ones
a
are
burn. Am I
important.
doing them wrong?
So I'd say...
There's no glutes there.
I'm not getting...